So this is the corner of 16th and Arapahoe here in rainy Golden, Colorado. Yes, that is one huge sheet of water going down there. And there. Going down there. And out that way. And all of this, well, that's hail. And there